More Wildcrafts, more Alma. Seriously, there's a lot more. Watch them now, streaming free on PBS Kids. Did I mention there's more?
Check out Lila in the Loop on PBS Kids. Lila and her pal Stu love to make things.
I've got an idea.
They get pretty creative.
Try not to make too big of a mess.
Sometimes too creative. But they always figure out a way to clean up even the stickiest situations. Well, most of the time. It's Lila and Stu from Lila in the Loop, streaming free on PBS Kids.
Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood is made possible in part by these foundations and by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Visit the neighborhood at pbskids.org.
Do you have the courage?
I have the courage. Me too. How's this for girl power? I've got it under control. You nailed the landing. You just need to work on holding the pose. Like this. Ready? Set. Come on, race to the top. Show me what you got. This a crowd goes wild. Let's go on an adventure around the world. Anything's possible if you imagine it. You're on a mission. I'm on it. I'm on it. We won't let you down.
On PBS Kids, it's Phoebe and Jay.
Welcome to our home at Topsy Towers. There's magic here with Phoebe and Jay. Every day exploring and learning with our neighbors, hand in hand with Phoebe and Jay.
Come on.
Follow the sign.
Come on.
Let's use our mind.
Come on.
What can we find when hanging out with Phoebe and Jay?
Next on Austin PBS Kids.
PBS Kids is celebrating families. The outdoorsy types.
This is the best dad and me camp out ever.
Those who are far away. Training! Some are even prehistoric. This is your family and I'm your mom. Who knew there were so many different types of families?
Thank you, Grammy.
Check out your favorite PBS Kids families with your family. Stream now, free on PBS Kids.
Part by a Ready to Learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people, the Grable Foundation, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
Go Phoebe. Go Phoebe. Good day. Good day.
Welcome to our home at Topsy Towers. There's magic here with Phoebe and Jay. Every day exploring and learning with our neighbors, hand in hand with Phoebe and Jay.
Come on.
Follow the sign.
Come on.
Let's use our mind.
Come on.
What can we find when hanging out with Phoebe and Jay?
Hey, Phoebe and Jay. Come on.
Let's get together.
Come on.
Moments we'll treasure.
Come on.
Everything's better when hanging out with Phoebe and Jay.
Phoebe and Jay.
Hey, hey, Phoebe and Jay.